There is a moment in conflict when talking actually makes things worse, and most couples miss it because they think the problem is communication. It's not. It's physiology. If you stay in the conversation past this moment, there's no amount of good wording that will help. When conflict escalates, your body actually reacts before your mind does. Heart rate increases, stress hormones rise, and once your nervous system is flooded, the part of your brain responsible for listening, empathy, and problem solving goes completely offline. So keep it simple. This is what we call physiological flooding. When flooding happens, you are no longer having the same conversation, even if you're using the exact words. So here's the part that most couples get wrong. They keep talking because they care. They want to resolve the issue. They keep pushing because they want that resolution. But the longer you talk while flooded, the more unsafe the conversation feels. And both parties react. That's why arguments spiral. Not because one person is bad at communication, but because the nervous system is completely overwhelmed. The Gottman research shows that couples need about 20 minutes for the nervous system to return to baseline. But here's the part that most couples miss. A break doesn't work if it's avoidance. It doesn't work if it's punishment. And it doesn't work if you're replaying the argument in your head for the full 20 minutes. Here's what a proper break looks like. It needs to include 3 things. 1, naming the flooding, not blaming anyone or yourself. Not feeling guilty or bad. Just simply name it. 2, physically calming your body. Whether that's a walk, maybe an ice plunge, some cold water, deep breaths. And 3, coming back after being regulated, not before. The goal of the break isn't distance, it's regulation. So some examples of regulation are movement, slow breathing, a walk, playing music, anything that lowers your heart rate, not fuels the story. In couple sessions, we actually use heart rate monitors as we are learning this skill set. The most important part of the break is the return. You don't come back to win. You come back regulated enough to listen. This is where couples do this correctly. If they take the time to calm themselves down, the conversation changes. Not because they found better words or answers, but because their nervous system is online again to actually hear their partner and understand what is going on. Most couples don't need better words, they just need regulation first. This is one of the things that I help couples understand, because once this clicks, conflict stops feeling so personal. If you want more clarity on your relationship, click the link below and take the assessment with personalized feedback from me. And watch my next video, Why Repair Fails Even When Couples Try.